Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, Samsung has again rolled out a very important update for almost all the Samsung users. Yesterday only Samsung rolled out a February security update for Samsung S23 series. Now again, a very important update has been rolled out by Samsung, and I think this is much important update than the security page update monthly. Okay, for this update, obviously we have to go to settings, and here we have to tap on security and privacy. Tap on it, and it will let you to this screen. Then tap on updates. Then here you will see an option called Google Play System Update. Tap on it, and here it will check for the update. As you can see, there is a new update and the update size is around 68 MB. Now many Samsung users usually ignore this update because they think it is not important, but actually Google Play System updates are very important for Android phones. This update comes directly from Google, not from Samsung. Okay, and it's mainly improved device security, as you can see, and also protect privacy protection and system stability. So it will make your phone more smoother, and it will protect you from virus, etc, and also it will protect your phone from new malwares. Now let me tap on download and install. And guys, the good thing about Google Play System update is the Google can fix security issue quickly without waiting for a full Samsung software update. So if you even not getting the Samsung update, etc, after this update it can fix lot of issues. For example, this update can improve things like Android security protection. Okay, let me start the phone, and obviously Google Play service stability, better protection for apps and data, and system performance improvement. Obviously it will improve your phone runs more smoothly, and if there is any lag or any issue, this update can fix it. Okay, and guys, the best part is this update works on almost all Android phones, including many Samsung Galaxy device like S series, M series, A series, F series. Alright guys, the update is done. Let me unlock my phone for the first time. Obviously it will not bring any new features, but it will improve your phone performance, your battery performance. It will remove if there is any issues, glitches, bugs, virus, and etc. And the best part is, guys, this update works on almost all Samsung phones: A series, M series, F series, Z series. So guys, if you see this Google Play System update on your phone, I recommend install it because it keeps your device secure and stable. Okay, let me go to settings and check if we are in latest version or not. Okay, security and privacy. We must be in February. Okay, so let's see. Let me tap on updates, and you can clearly see it's written 1 February 2026. But again, let me tap it. You can see if I tap on check for updates, I think there will be no update. And as you can see, the Google Play System update is February. Okay, so this is the latest version. So guys, if you see this update, just update it. Okay, so it's a small update, but it can fix a lot of things of your phone. Now let me know in the comments which Samsung phone you are using and whether you have received this update or not. And please guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support, guys. I noticed that you watch my video but not subscribing. I don't know why. I always make a helpful video for you guys, so you should subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and bye. Meet you in my next video. Take care.